Many people turn to auctions to find low-cost vehicles, but what happens if it doesn't come with the title? What happens if the auction company never had the title, which is actually a common occurrence for auctions and storage or estate sales? Well, I'm Kanan from Dirt Legal, and today I'll cover the steps to get a car title after winning an auction. So if you attend a specialized car auction in person, you'll notice a variety of lights that have meaning. It's vital you pay attention to what these lights mean if you want to find the best deal. For example, at major auction houses, a blue light tends to stand for title unavailable or title absent, depending on the auction house. Now, if you bid through an online auction, typically titles should be listed as present or missing on the listing. You can rightly assume the title is available when you purchase the vehicle, but always check the status before you place a bid in either case. If you need a detailed vehicle history report, Dirt Legal can help. Just use the link below down in the description. You don't often find too many vehicles during storage auctions, but it does happen occasionally. You might just stumble on a tractor, a boat, an ATV, or a car that you will need a title for. Unless you hope to scrap it for parts, getting a title is something you'll want to think about before making that first bid. And the same goes for estate sales as well. You'll not be able to register, insure, or sell a vehicle without a title in your hand. Now, in these situations, some bases have already been covered. Before the storage facility can even sell that vehicle, they must check with the local DMV to ensure it's paid off and it's not stolen. If there's a lien holder involved, they must contact them and then get that information that must be disclosed when the vehicle is sold. Some states also require additional steps and paperwork before auctioning a vehicle. Now, it's going to vary state by state, so be sure to check with what is required in your local county and or state to ensure you can legally take home that sweet storage find. Now, regardless of how you get there, when you don't have a car title, there are some options available to you. You can always start to apply for a new title with your bill of sale, but that doesn't always work. Otherwise, you might be required to purchase a surety bond instead. Now, it's not a great route, but if the DMV won't work with what you have, your options may be limited. Sometimes it's best to avoid the hassle entirely and just use a title company to lead you in the right direction. Leave the hard work to the experts if you're unsure how to navigate the world of car titles. Dirt Legal can obtain a new title and registration for cars, motorcycles, and almost anything with wheels. We also offer VIN checks and vehicle history reports to help you gather the facts before buying or selling that vehicle at an auction. Now, if you'd like more information on our services, click the link down in the description below. Give us a call at our 1-800 number or just contact us simply via email at orders@dirtlegal.com. And just remember, if you get that auction buy home and later someone claims the auction house stole their car, you need to contact an attorney. In many cases, the previous owner simply feels they've been wronged. Generally speaking, you would usually have nothing to worry about. The same goes for auction companies that promise a title but never deliver. It's no fun getting to the legal system involved, but at that point, that's what you just might have to do. We'll see you next time.